OnePlus is back with their new OnePlus Nord 2 5G. This time around, they have made a few upgrades that could make this one a true flagship killer. But we have here this term flagship killer time and time again. Does the OnePlus Nord 2 5G have what it takes to join the club? Let's find out in this particular video. So starting from the design of the OnePlus Nord 2, you will definitely see that this design is looking and inspired from the OnePlus 9 Pro devices, and honestly there's going to be the triple camera setup on the back side, and it has the same design, look and feel as we have seen in the OnePlus 9 Pro. And on the front side we have a punch hole selfie camera, and the screen is coming as a curved display. So basically the front and the back both are coming with a Gorilla Glass 5 protections, which is definitely going to be a great options to have. We also have a plastic frame this time around, and unfortunately we are not going to see a 3.5mm headphone jack support in this particular device. Moving forward, we have a 6.43 inch of Fluid AMOLED 90Hz of refresh rate, which is also supported by HDR10 Plus support, which means that the color accuracy is going to be even great. We have the 409 ppi density maximum, which is available in this device, and also the front is coming with an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is an optical one. The front is coming with a single punch hole camera cutter on the front side as compared to the dual punch hole that was seen on the OnePlus Nord that was launched last year. So the front selfie camera will be of 32 megapixel and will record 1080p video recording, and it does not have any optical image stabilization, although it is coming with an electronic image stabilization. Moving backside, we have a triple camera setup in a square camera bump, in which only the 50 megapixel of a main sensor, which is coming with optical image stabilization, is the main highlight of the device, because it is going to give us a great image quality as compared to the other two sensors, which are 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of a monochrome shooter, which I definitely think that are not going to be a great quality. Anyhow, it can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second. In terms of internals, OnePlus Nord this time around not using the Snapdragon processor. Instead, they have chosen the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 5G, which is based on 6nm fabrication. So basically this is going to be a powerful chipset that can fit between the Snapdragon 780 and 870 of processor. Although this processor is great, but it is not definitely recommended to be used for long-term gaming, as the throttling issue can be coming inside that particular processor, and the OnePlus Nord 2 might not perform as it is intended to. Internally, it's coming with an 8 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage, 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, and the storage is based on UFS 3.1, and it is also not coming with any SD card slots. So definitely there is some disappointment in terms of the memory expansion. Moving forward, we have the 4500 milliamp of a battery cell, which is also supported by 65 watt of fast charging, and that is going to be a great option to have, which will charge your device in 45 minutes. In terms of pricing, we are going to see about 400 euros of a price tag for that particular device. So guys, all in all, this is going to be a great device. Unfortunately, we are not going to see any IP rating here. Other than that, we are definitely going to see a great option to have a nice processor, a great battery, and 90 Hz of refresh rate on top of that, which is definitely going to be a great options to have. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this device? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.